Hey, Scratch Kitchen, how you guys doing? This is the state of our organization right now. Not kidding. It's like, and there's a tote I have stuff in my closet. I'm gonna put you in pause and take you into my daughter's room. There's stuff in here. There's food stuff in here. All up around there. It's just, the moving in process is slow going, and I'm ready for it to be over. We got food in here, floor to this shelf, and in I'm in the kitchen now, here, and here, dining area. I'm gonna pick up some cabinets at the Habitat for Humanity that's around the corner for me. I'm trying to get some that like floor to ceiling to put all the food in and have everything in one area. Don't you just love moving? I'll see you guys later.